Women in northern Ghana live challenging life. Many are involved in agriculture and petty trading, as well as carrying the heavy responsibilities of keeping their families fed. These include women engaging in unpaid care work, such as fetching water and firewood, preparing food to feed their family, feeding their youngest children, and going to the markets. With just one growing season a year in this drought-prone region, improving nutrition requires addressing the imbalance in workload between men and women and how decisions are made within the households.
Our motto in the Action Research Growing Project is growing nutritious foods, growing futures. We invite 30 couples and young children to join the Growing Futures clubs, where gender champions recruited from these same communities engage couples in dialogues, which forms the foundation on how they will interact as we implement the nutrition, agriculture, savings and marketing activities throughout the 2-year period. We aim to see gender equity improve in these communities and the well-being of women and the whole family transformed for the better.
Gure did wanda kani to see the ma but I will me basung po aba. Gure the man wakena ta sin sia kan kyan ketinya ba yi sungu to mama ba blan ketu mama dundong to mama guilty. Be tum azatani.
Ghana Service is committed in improving the well-being and does this through the use of the community health officers clustered in the communities known as the CHIP zones. But how can we really get families to actually change their dietary practices? We are using the innovative and integrated growing approach, which encourages men and women to talk to each other and set up monthly goals by using the goal card. We are beginning to see changes or to see positive changes in dietary practices.
Random po matun sukune. Obola na tekes ya masa dasia. Zama sama ziri bunyala pam. Nyam zere alefu namne fis mana moringa.
Kana ndanda wapune tadila bundira sambala mbonasi na wana bioza bundira sambala mbonasi katadira da hanyina kokwa bundira abanashi bakwe pune tadira ala daba nashi ka amate alafia bi nwa mombo pa gwa yobu okotondi lata bundira ma ananya alafi wurju anya wursi ne kaya banga labum tabo bunama ye boru dankale ma stool ma nampu ya pila pa yenni anu ya bian ba ka pa ma no fresh agbade ya ma yikane pa ma do ninda be afi.
Nutrition education alone is not enough. The diet in northern Ghana is lacking many micronutrients key for health. Our Growing Future Club members get access to vitamin A-rich orange flesh sweet potato, calcium-rich moringa and amaranth, and vitamin C-rich papaya. We are introducing a small livestock species, calves, into some clubs as a source of iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. We are encouraging households to integrate protein-rich cash crops such as soybean and groundnut into young child porridge and family diet. We conduct 9 nutrition sessions for GFC members, encouraging greater male engagement. And we are promoting income-generating activities, encouraging households to use profits to buy diverse, nutrient-rich foods.
The Healthy Baby Toolkit we are using during our sessions has really helped us explain to mothers how to prepare porridges thick enough to feed children of young ages. There are separate lines indicating the amounts to be fed to infants 6 to 9 months of age, 9 to 11 months of age, and 12 to 24 months of age. The bowl also helps us to describe to caregivers how often to feed children of young ages.
Papa moko nang araha na sokin zantati domin growing dan wanshi bamsan shanan zanliya ta zugo.
Tire ko agwadeya ti san labun suma ma koshi kake mun be dandira ama pompomo ta bangya na agbade ma ti kwa ti zang la bon sunga lan zare ndira karata te alafia
ko au cheka te bangai growing project de wanda will sti diva e koko te yanan nan la ne sim zan te biswa za yi bangla lama amfani wanye sim
kan ya pasi sahasia te bisra mal dolo bisi pam ama tanzi sahasia growing de wan kana nzan la bam so ma ngul to ma de ton ke ka la tabo dolo bisi ma balgane ka kete tanzi sahasia bisi ba bankana ampa ka la tabo bisi tamal la tabo ko kuma antro ma ba ala fenya ngangare bisi ba tanda pa mal ka growing de na bakina ma so la tabo growing de ma bazang amfani pam nzang ntate
yumna sansalma damta pam karche ka ta kona da ma abannan amma da nan manya asan pam na manda tom nyang zale dankale bura ka abuzor sansale so da kyan kan nyang ko dankale ma pam ka bindir ma nan.
It has been satisfying for me to see over time more men and women sitting together as couples, not segregated as before. Women used to be shy sitting next to their husbands and would not speak. Some women are saying that men are helping more by holding the baby when they are doing other tasks and even helping feed the baby. One of the gender dialogues explores what it means to act like a man and how set rules of behaviors can negatively affect the lives of both men and women.
Tumna sung na poa ka tumna sung na do karche ka tunte poa ma su sukani ka nyasan bene na yurlum bene ka za bisi aran kat sana dundongne
trabo mi yan iya kokubo de sumna nye I poa mal sawara be inyangam bo palama belante I poa ko gba kwa ama growing de ngon pete yum la zan kyang ba yumna tamamang ban yan de sumna I bo palam ante I poa ko gba kwa yamang ngom ne tanyangam bo pachu kamal ya kamal tam nzan ta poama nugwa kwa yumno mane mbola eka abayi nzan tam poama nukwa osu huan borban sele
yum lama sirma ura tamala eka abayi kannan suma manda ya koma tira kila adaka billi ndia ligrina nkwa bundir ma ngwanta yina katiya kosi tazin nan ba ai anyidana en ya ko san buna anda nan langwa kan ya igwa katanya mangba kan da silma de velbe de bovela kata ko buna ma zan da tin ya dabun sila la program ma ngwa manda kan ma trabin yare sela.
Of course, markets are key in enabling families to have diverse diets, and we encourage our club members to purchase nutrient-dense foods. But we want to get markets moving for the nutrient-rich foods the club members are cultivating. Our trained healthy food connectors enable our clubs to be linked to markets, where we sponsor events to inform consumers and promote these nutrient-rich foods. In addition, a third of our clubs are engaged in making and selling popular processed products with orange fresh sweet potato puree, such as kose, which contains cowpea, another win-win sweet potato legume combination. We believe that the marketing component and the transformation of our clubs into registered association will lead to sustained uptake and expansion of production of our nutrient-rich crops.
We are learning a lot from implementing this gender-transformative integrated approach. Good food is medicine, and we are seeing diets diversifying and gender equity improving. But getting a meaningful behavioral change in long-standing practices requires work. Improving communication, understanding, and cooperation between men and women is the foundation for change and growing futures together.